That lead kitten definitely had a heart attack. One of the best piano compositions ever.
Good.
You gotta work to earn your food. Cat drinks some juice. That blink shows love. Too much cuteness. When you drive a Quattro but have summer tires, the dog seems like it's having a good time. Happy birthday, doggy. Love how he starts using his back feet to push your hand off his belly before remembering that he put your hand on the belly. I want a small dog now. This might be the greatest thing I've ever seen. Just chilling, bro. Don't worry about me.
But if I'm cold, you're cold. You gotta come in. Okay?
Hey, that wasn't funny. The cat that was getting hit thought, all right, that's about enough of that slapping me, and pounced on him and meowed to him saying, that's enough. I think he thinks he is trying to get his friend out. This cat should play Rocket League.
Did he?
Yes, look at my paws. You are a mouse, a tiny mouse. When I click with my nails, A, don't distract me. When you are afraid of all household appliances.
It's gonna pop up and scare you.
Fun fact, cats view us humans as big, weird-looking cats. When their owner finally left for work, that actually kind of looks fun. I'd probably enjoy doing that too, haha. big sister is so sweet, he's just a little bully. Ha ha! Looks like he's enjoying his moveless fans. It was a perfect plan for parkour. Will somebody please pick me up before he drinks it all up? Once I got started, there was no turning back. The dog looks like it has narcolepsy.
What?
It usually manifests as cataplexy.
Yo, y'all some scammers, bro. I got the whole shit on camera. Move.
Whoever desinged this costume is a genius. Not me feeling the same way every morning. When you wanted to steal something unnoticed. Don't violate my personal space. Oh, a slice of lemon, help me out here. When my boyfriend said there was no target. Okay, but what happens if you don't? Stop. I'm saving my energy to run around at 2 a.m. for no reason. The hidden predator from below.
Oh. All right, okay, wait. Here we go. In this one. Yeah. You want your tail out or a little bit out? Okay, here we go. No, wait, that's looking stick a little bit of your tail out, eh? Is that good?
Thank you for watching FDC, Funny Dogs and Cats. If you had a good laugh or enjoyed seeing these adorable furry friends, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more hilarious moments.